Money Mantra, and we are back with another Forex education video. I created my channel to help as many people as possible become independent and profitable traders. So if that sounds like you or someone you know, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, I do want to let you know that I offer so much support and I have so much content, especially for new traders. So get nosy, check out some of the playlists that I have. And if you want to take your education a step further, I'm offering a free 7-day trial to my trading community, which is pretty cool because you get access to my structured learning course. You'll be able to engage with me in my chats. You'll have weekly trade ideas, and you'll also be able to connect with other traders over money and mindset. So it's pretty cool. If you want to check it out and see what I have going on over there, the information is down below in my description box. You can also connect with me on TradingView to follow my trade ideas over there. But in today's quick video, I'm going to be showing you guys something simple you can look for to help you find entry points. This is going to be another no indicator strategy on Tradelocker, but you can of course do this on any trading platform where you take your trades or do your analysis. Now, this is going to be super simple. Like most things that I teach you guys, it does just require some patience. The reason why I'm teaching it without indicators is because indicators can get a bit confusing, especially if you're new to trading. They can give you mixed signals, and you can sometimes be checking the wrong indicators for the wrong things. Like you may be looking at a momentum indicator when you're trying to check for the trend, and vice versa. So it can get very confusing. So we're just going to stick to price action basics and we're going to focus on the candles for this training today. Now, there are so many different candle patterns, but again, we're going to keep it simple. And today we're going to be highlighting equal highs and lows to help you find entry points. Now, equal highs and lows are exactly what they sound like. If you see that the market is starting to open at the same place that it previously closed, that could be a sign for a reversal and a place where you can potentially take your entry. Now, I'm just going to scroll on my chart to a random place, and we're going to look for some equal highs and lows and see what happens to the market once it gets to that place. Now, we're going to go ahead and start here because this is an obvious high that we can see. And we're just going to highlight that with a horizontal line. Now you can use horizontal lines, you can use rectangles, you can use circles. Tradelocker has a bunch of free tools to help you take notes on your chart and to figure out what you're looking for. So let's just say if we did come into the market at this time, we can see that the market was previously having a lot of bullish momentum or the buyers were in control for some time. And then we see that the market just stopped. There was a halt, and the same place that the green candle closed is where the next candle opened, which signifies to us that the market could potentially sell. Now, once you get that equal high, that is going to be a sign that the market could drop. And what you're going to want to do is use previous lows as your potential TPs. So I'm going to use this low here. I'm going to use this low here. And as long as the market drops, these will be potential places that it'll go. So let's just scroll over and see. And we can see that we would have secured all of these pips just because we recognized that there was an equal high and the market dropped. So in about 1 hour and 20 minutes, we were able to secure 50 pips. And even if they're using something as small as $1 for your lot size, that would have been $50 an hour and 20 minutes. And if you're currently still working and you're not making $50 an hour, this is a simple way to do it because it's not really how much money you made, it's how you made the money. And by clicking a button, you could have came up. And imagine if you would have entered that trade twice. Now that's an example of an equal high. We could find plenty examples of this, and I'm just going to scroll and show you guys some more equal highs. Here's equal highs as well. Now let's say we entered the market here where we saw that there were equal highs, right? Just pay attention to the right side of my screen. And then we set our TP at a previous low. So let's just go for this low. And then for a potential TP2, we'll use that low. And as we can see, we would have secured those pips as well. Now, again, you just have to really, and then that's 2 hours and 15 minutes, another 55 pips. With a dollar, that's $55. Now, again, with this strategy, all you really have to do is wait. Once you start to see that the market is kind of stalling and it's no longer having that strong energy that it did, that's a sign that it could be reversing. Now, here's an example right here where we have equal lows, and it's not just two this time. We actually have four times that the market came down to this area, creating a bunch of equal lows, which would be a potential sign for a buy. Now, what you would want to do is for a buy, use previous highs as your take profits. So I'm just going to go ahead and mark some previous highs, and we'll see if the market got back there. And you're probably wondering about your stop loss. Your stop loss would just be a previous low. So in this case, we can see that the market did in fact go up. And we would have at least hit one TP, right? And eventually it came back and hit the second TP, and the third TP was hit, although it did take some time. And we can see in that time, we would have secured about, it was back here. We would have secured about, yeah, about 55 pips in 2 hours. So as you guys are seeing, it's not difficult to secure the money. You just have to know what you're looking for, and you also have the patience to let it play out. Now, I did this on a 5 minute time frame because this is a scalping strategy, but you could, of course, look at this on any time frame. If we were to go to the 15, we see equal highs here. Once we get those equal highs, we get a sell. And it actually did sell back down to a previous low. We see equal highs here, we get a sell. We see equal lows here, we get a buy, right? We see equal highs here. The market is starting to push down. So this is pretty simple, and I really hope that it made sense. I'm going to scroll on my chart, and if you guys see any equal highs, and the market sells, or you see any equal lows and the market buys, just go ahead and comment a 7 down below on this video. And if you made it this far and you learned something, just go ahead and subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so that you never miss when I post new videos. I post new content frequently, but like I said at the beginning of this video, I have so much content that's organized by categories like candlesticks, market structure, support and resistance, entry points, and all of that good stuff. And if you want to take it even further and connect with me outside of YouTube, you can follow me on TradingView, or you can register for the Money Mantra Learning Academy, which you can find down below in the description box. But that's really all I have for you guys today. Until next time, rich friends.